Hello friends, today I am unboxing the Raspberry Pi 4GB RAM variant. I have also got this case with it and you will also need a SD card to run it. I also recommend you to get some thermal pads and a heat sink with a fan because the Raspberry Pi will get really hot while running it. Let's open the box. Here it is. Raspberry Pi supports dual monitor and it also have Wi-Fi. Some paperwork. Now let me open the Raspberry Pi case. The Raspberry Pi will fit perfectly in it. Now let's put the thermal pads and the heatsink on top of it. And the fan. And let me put the fan in the power of the Raspberry Pi. You can see over here the pin in which I put the Raspberry Pi power. And let's go towards the computer to make the bootable drive for Raspberry Pi. Now insert your SD card into a computer and let's go to the computer. After you have inserted your card, go to your favorite browser and go to Raspberry Pi website. Now go to software and download the Raspberry Pi Imager for Windows. Once done, close your browser and install the software. Just download it. I don't need to install it because I have already installed it. After installing, open it. Go to choose OS and then go to Raspberry Pi OS in bracket other and choose Raspberry Pi OS full. This will include all the recommended applications from them. Choose storage your connected card and click write. It will take about 5 to 10 minutes to write it. Insert your SD card to the back of your Raspberry Pi over here. You will need a micro HDMI cable to plug it into the Raspberry Pi in the HDMI one. The other end should go into your monitor. Plug a Type-C power supply into your Raspberry Pi and the Raspberry Pi should turn on and the fan would spin. Now you have to connect your keyboard and mouse in the Raspberry Pi. Meanwhile, I'll do it. I also turn on the monitor. And here it is. Welcome to Raspberry Pi. Click next. Use English language. My country is India, so I'll choose India. Here it is. Language English. Next. Now you have to set your password. Don't tell anyone. Click next. As you can see, there is a black border around my monitor, so you have to click this icon so that this black border will go away. Next. Now this will search for my Wi-Fi networks and you have to enter the password for your Wi-Fi. Next, it will connect to my Wi-Fi. You will see that there is a software update, and if you click next, it will update the software. As you can see, now it is done downloading the updates. If you will not connect to Wi-Fi network and skip it, this software update will not come. As you can see, it is showing the system is up to date. Now it will tell me to restart to install every update. Now it is up. You can now do whatever you want. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.